all about Asia. Asia is the largest of the 7 continents, covering over 17 million square miles, almost 2 times the size of North America. It takes up about 30% of the land on Earth. It is so large it's separated into 6 areas: Northern, Central, Eastern, Western, Southern, and Southeast Asia. Most people live in Eastern, Southern, and Southeast Asia. This continent is bordered by the Ural Mountains to the west, the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Pacific Ocean to the east, and the Indian Ocean to the south. It is also home to the highest point on Earth, Mount Everest. Situated in the Tibetan region of the Himalayan mountains. Many people come from all over the world each year to try to hike to its peak. The continent of Asia is also home to the lowest point of land, the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is in between the countries of Israel and Jordan. There is so much natural salt in the Dead Sea that a person can float in it. The longest river in Asia is the Yangtze River. It is the 3rd largest river in the world, but it is the longest river flowing through a single country, China. Asia is home to the largest lake, the Caspian Sea. Its coastline is shared by 5 countries. It is also one of the deepest lakes in the world, with a depth of 3,300 feet. Another famous landmark in Asia is the Gobi Desert. It is a cold desert located in parts of Mongolia and China. It is the driest place in Asia and is the 5th largest desert in the world. Many dinosaur fossils have been found in this desert. It was here that the first dinosaur eggs were discovered. But Asia isn't just known for its incredible landmarks. Some of the world's major resources can be found in Asia. These are things like minerals, tin, coal, aluminum, gold, iron ore, and oil. Several oil-producing nations like Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, and Saudi Arabia, which is the world's largest oil producer, are found in Asia. Because of the large size, Asia is a diverse country, rich in its races, cultures, and languages. Many of the world's major religions originated in Asia, including Christianity, Judaism, Islam, Hinduism, and Buddhism. Geographically diverse as well, it includes 8 different climate types: deciduous forest, coniferous forest, alpine/mountain, rainforest, desert, tundra, grassland, and savanna. Because these areas are very different, the continent of Asia grows a wide variety of plant life, including grasses, shrubs, cacti, pine, fir, spruce trees, and mosses, as well as jungles of thick, wet forests. These 8 different climates are home to a variety of animals. Reindeer, foxes, and wolves are found in the tundra region. Camels and lizards live in the desert. Bears are found in the coniferous forest. And the mountainous region of China is home to the giant panda. Other animals include snow leopards, polar bears, Komodo dragons, and Asian elephants. Now let's take a closer look at some of the countries found in Asia. 2 of the most populated countries in the world, China and India help add to Asia's population of over 4 billion people, which is about 60% of the world's population. In other words, 6 out of every 10 people on Earth live in Asia. China has the largest number of people living in a single country, or 1.4 billion people. That's a lot of people living in one country. Beijing is the capital of China. Some of China's famous sites include the Great Wall of China, 3 pagodas, Longji Terraces, Hanging Monastery, and the Forbidden City. India is 1/3 the size of the United States, but it has the second largest population in the world, 1.3 billion people. The capital of India is New Delhi. The Taj Mahal and the Ganges River are both found in India. It is also where Mahatma Gandhi was born. The smallest country in Asia is the Maldives. The Maldives consists of 1,192 coral islands located in the Indian Ocean. They are famous for their white sandy beaches and clear blue waters. It is a popular tourist destination. Do these images make you want to go there? Another country in Asia is Japan. Japan is about the same size as California. However, about 3 times as many people live in Japan. The people in Japan live very close together. Here are some cool sights you could see if you visit Japan. Mount Fuji, the Dotonbori District, Tokyo Skytree, the Great Buddha of Kamakura. There are many other countries in Asia as well. People of many different races, cultures, and languages live in Asia. Some areas in Asia are home to very wealthy people, while other places are filled with poverty and people who are very poor. Asia is an extremely large and diverse continent with a long, interesting history. With its population of over 4 billion people and its resources and attractions, Asia will continue to be an important focus and resource for many countries throughout the world. Which countries would you want to visit in Asia?